I'm Jodi. I'm an economist and I do it with models. You're about to embark on a little mini course that I'm in the process of putting together to help aid in your understanding of basic economics. As a starting point, it's important to understand, well, what is economics? We can think about the study of economics in a number of ways. First, we can think about economics as the study of resource allocation. People generally say that economics is a study in scarcity because we don't have enough resources on the planet to have everything that we could possibly want. We need to think about how those scarce resources are allocated to be efficient or not efficient. We can think about economics as the study of incentives because incentives are what guide the decisions of households, the decisions of companies, and the decisions of basically everybody that will participate in economic markets. So how do those incentives drive behavior in terms of buying and selling, in terms of production, in terms of consumption, and in terms of setting prices? Most generally, we can say that economics is the study of business activity, just trying to understand business cycles, trying to understand how markets function, and trying to understand how firms and households make decisions that involve money. See, I really wasn't kidding when I said that economists do it with models. Unfortunately, I mean these kind of models, not these kind of models. If you're lucky, maybe you'll get both. Models are actually very important in studying economics because they provide an easy way to look at a simplified version of what's going on in terms of buying and selling, in terms of households and firms interacting. Even though economics is a social science, not like a hard science such as physics or chemistry, a lot of the same principles apply. You can think of our economic models as analogous to a physics model that might try to show how gravity works, or a chemistry model that would show you the structure of the atom. Granted, there are going to be some simplifications made, and we'll try to be as clear as possible whenever we make one of these simplifications. In physics, for example, if we were trying to develop a model that described the laws of gravity, we might make a simplifying assumption that an object is falling in a vacuum. We'll make similar relevant assumptions here that will allow us to come up with a simple picture for what's going on, usually in terms of prices and quantities in a market. But the important thing to remember is that the underlying ideas are the same, and we're providing a model that hopefully is reasonably representative of the world without being overly complex.